Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I am going to be sharing with you an unboxing on the Beats Tour 3. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. First of all, let me tell you why I bought these. I use the wired earphones, but I wanted to find something that I could use and that I would not have to be attached to my telephone. I wanted to be able to work around the house and walk around and listen to my audiobooks, and I also wanted to be able to walk and jog outdoors and have my phone in my little fanny pack as I went ahead and did my walking or my jogging. Well, it's actually a jogging bag thing. I showed it in an Instagram post. And by the way, talking about Instagram, you should go visit me over there. So, check me out. I hope that you follow me on Instagram too, especially if you're into fitness and health. Okay, so let's continue with this unboxing, and I'm also going to show you how I paired it. Well, it's very easy to pair. So it comes in this box, very nice. I already did open the product because I didn't want you to have to waste a lot of time. And there it is, nice and pretty. Personally, I think that the branding is just a little too much. I would have preferred either black branding in terms of the B, or I would have preferred maybe gold, but the red B with the gold, it's just got too much going on. So I am not happy with all of that happening. This is the case, and what I like about the case is the feel. It has that rubberized texture. It feels so good. I wonder how it's going to hold up to grime, but so far at least it looks really nice. When you open it up, it has the little well where you can put in your earphones and it will charge up. Now, I am going to give you a little secret. I'm going to let it out right now. These might be fake because I bought them for $20 on Wish. So, one of the things that I found was that when you put the earphone inside, sometimes it doesn't have a good connection and you have to kind of push it. So that's the only thing that I found with this. So you close it in there, and then you can take a look at the little lights on the back, which tell you if they're charged up or if they are charging. So you know that the earphones are being charged. I love the little handle because it is not a wimpy little handle. It's a nice thicker handle, so it makes it very comfortable to grab. I really, really like that. And then, of course, in the box, you're going to get some instructions. And the instructions they look good. They have pictures. I can't read them because the print is too small. And then you have a, what do you call this? I don't know. It's a wire for charging, and it is a mini. I forgot. I don't know. I'm having a moment. I forgot. And then you have some extra little ear caps. That's a good name, right? So that's what you have in the box, and that's it. Now, for pairing, all you have to do is take them out when they're blue. See, when they're blue, now you know that it's charged. I hope you can see that it's blue. The color is so nice. That is one thing that I really, really like. I like that these colors are easy to decipher when they're ready or not ready to be taken out. The only problem is that they don't really make contact unless you move them around. So that kind of worries me, but you know, 20 bucks, right? And the other thing I don't like is how difficult it is to take them out if you have nails. So it is a little difficult to take them out. Now that they are out, all you have to do is put them in your ears like that. I mean, that's very easy. Make sure you have the right one on the right ear. I always get confused with that. I don't know why. And then you get your phone. I'm pairing it with my Android. If this is a Galaxy, you go to your Bluetooth right there, connections. You click on that. And then you're going to be able to choose. It's going to pop up. Right now it is already connected. See, the Beats 2 or 3 is already connected, but it will appear in under available devices. And you tap it and it automatically connects. If you do not see it under available devices, go ahead and do a scan up there and then it'll pop up. Now, one thing, oh, I better take them off. One thing you need to notice is that initially it came up under Beats wireless earphones and I couldn't connect. Then I scanned it and it came up under L2. I don't know what that is. And it was able to connect. All I did later was rename it so that I knew what device that L2 was. And perhaps it has something to do with the fact that maybe they're not real. But I don't care if they're not real. They sound really good. They're lightweight. I mean, you hear all of the different instruments in the music. The sound, the depth of the sound is very high quality. I like the volume. So I'm happy with it. I like the price. Hey, 20 bucks, right? I'm all for saving money. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.
Marta.